Malta Home originally started as a home for widows and orphans of the Maltas. It opened in May of 1921, and then the last of the orphans moved out in like 1944. In 1959, it became a home for the non-members, for the elderly, widows, widowers. And then in 1965, they started remodeling and turned it into a skilled and ICF unit. And then second floor became personal care. And then January 1st of 2006, Valley View took over, and they've been in charge since 2006. And I think, like Valley View, the mission, their vision was the same as our mission. I think the main thing is to still try to fulfill, and I think we are. I think both facilities are fulfilling that mission and that vision, and I think that will continue.